everybody is like complicating it too much, you know. When it comes to fitness, everybody is like, oh, I need to track my sleep, I need to do my 10,000 steps, I need this supplement. Biohacking is gay, dude. Like, just go to the gym and lift, ban jayega body. But everybody is like, nahi, you need this supplement, you need that supplement. Alright, boys. So today we have a push day. So for push, I'm gonna just be warming up my shoulders using this. A fun fact, this is probably the first piece of weight training equipment that was ever made. The mace, the gada. And this was made to train your shoulders for sword fighting so that you understand how to balance weight. So it's also a phenomenal way to warm up your shoulders. As you can see, I've already broken a sweat. So I was just thinking about it. This thing weighs around 12 kgs and it's quite heavy. But in the hands of a skilled swordsman, like Japan में एक वो होता है जिसमें I don't know, they place these mats and there's a guy who just like slices through it. So there's a competition. I don't know what it's called. So they use a katana. A katana probably weighs 2.5 kgs, and in the hands of a skilled swordsman, it can slice through limbs very easily. So I'm thinking कि यार ये 10-12 किलो का है, अगर फुल जान से हमने घुमा दिया
एक और हाथ पैर हम भी निकाल लेंगे.
अब that's a very violent thought, but अब ठीक है. I guess that's just mind is in the right place. We are ready to
Auction up.
chalo. So we'll start off with rear delt flies because I want to warm up the rear shoulders as well. So we'll start with single hand reverse flies. अभी आजकल there's another thing that I've seen that everybody is like complicating it too much, you know, when it comes to fitness. Everybody is like, oh, I need to track my sleep, I need to do my 10,000 steps, I need this supplement. Biohacking is gay, dude. Like, just go to the gym and lift, ban jayega body. But everybody is like, nahi, you need this supplement, you need that supplement, sleep optimize करनी है, ये करना है, वो करना है. I'm like, bro, क्या इतना. अभी I saw शीलाजीत का ad the other day, and बंदा बोलता है कि like when I take 2 gummies it gives me energy for the rest of the day. And वो खत्म सा बंदा था bro, मतलब like एकदम पतला सा और ऐसा एग्रेशन में उठा रहा है. बोला भाई दाल चावल खाओ भाई, पहले बॉडी बना ले, फिर शीलाजीत लेना. It's all a scam, dude. Everybody is trying to sell you a supplement. ये multivitamin ले लो, सब्जी नहीं खाई जाती है तो ये पिल ले लो, fruits and veggies. It's all BS. Too light, dude. Yeah, there you go. So wait, dude, like, don't be too, like, body बनाओ ठीक है, sure. Everybody is like, oh, कितने rep range करना चाहिए, क्या weight उठाना चाहिए, ये optimization, scientific, क्या रखा है bro. सबकी body, जितने भी ये लोग होते हैं ना, सारे optimization और evidence based, calorie counting, ये tracking, वो tracking, सबकी body झांटू सी होती है, बेकार. कमज़ोर से होते हैं सब, पता नहीं क्या मिल गया optimize करके. Like, and मेरे को ये बहुत स्ट्रांगली लगता है कि आजकल के टाइम पे ना देखो, एडवाइस देने वाले बहुत लोग हैं. मैं भी एडवाइस ही दे रहा हूँ. आई वुड से एडवाइस उसी की लो who you think is better than you at whatever it is that they're giving you advice at. You won't take advice from like a homeless person. You won't take financial advice from a homeless person. Don't take fitness advice from a fat person. Don't take motivational advice from a procrastinator. You know, but आजकल everybody is like out there giving advice, सब self-help. Oh, are you struggling with motivation? सबसे बड़ा scam है, dude. What a fucking unethical way to make money, to teach people how to be motivated. Bullshit. The only people who get rich are the people who sell you the courses. मैं कभी कोई कोर्स कभी नहीं बेचूंगा, dude. Anyway, let's focus now. Come on. Drop लेता है. रेंज ही नहीं जा रहा था लास्ट में, बट ना भी जाना तब भी खींचो. जस्ट पुश, dude. Push for as many reps as you can. A lot of people overcomplicate it. They're like, oh, strength के लिए 4 to 6, hypertrophy के लिए 8 to 12 rep range में मैं actually work करता हूँ. मेरा periodization, भाई खुद का body weight उठाया जा नहीं रहा है तुमसे, यहाँ periodization, strength periodization की बात कर रहे हो. Come on, man. Don't overcomplicate it for yourself. I've been lifting for the last 15 years, dude. I've been lifting for longer than half of the time I've been alive on this planet. And I'm telling you, मैंने अपनी बॉडी सिर्फ वे प्रोटीन और क्रिएटिन से बनाई है, दैट्स इट। कोई फिश ऑयल ये वो एल कार्टिन, आई एम नॉट सेइंग यू डोंट नीड ऑल ऑफ दिस, बट उसके बिना भी हो सकता है। अच्छा खाना खाओ, हैव इनफ प्रोटीन, sleep, drink water, be happy, go out in the sunshine. You'll be fine, dude. You don't need any of this garbage. ये supplement, वो supplement, बकचोदी. It's all BS. Too light. गर्मी लग रही है यार. One second. ऑलराइट, अभी शोल्डर प्रेस, बट शोल्डर प्रेस हम मशीन पे लेंगे क्योंकि मशीन पे इट्स मच सेफर टू पुश हार्ड एंड हैवी। यू डोंट नीड टू वरी अबाउट कुछ चटक जाएगा, कुछ हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं होगा डूड, यू विल बी सेफ, यू आर ऑन अ मशीन। तो इसमें कंट्रोल नेगेटिव्स, पार्शल्स बॉटम हाफ पे ट्राई करो, इस पर हैवी जाता है। मेरे से मुश्किल से 4 या 5 रेप जाएंगे, इसका फुल स्टार्ट थोड़ा भारी जाता है, बट लेट्स सी, विल टेक अ ड्रॉप। प्यास लग रही है यार, पानी पी लें। Fuck it. Let's go. Up, easy. One more. Drop set. हर बार 8वें रेप पे फेल हो रहा हूँ। ठीक है, गुड सर, डन। And with that, we come to an end to this workout. और यार देखो, एक चीज़, ये सब ना, it's all a scam. All these people are trying to sell you all these supplements and this that. You don't need any of these supplements. ठीक है? ये सब लोग बस आपको कुछ ना कुछ नया बेचने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Sure, you need all of this to optimize and whatnot. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि you don't need it at all. But bro, just you don't need all this bullshit, dude. ये Shilajit, ये Reiki mushroom, whatever, all that bullshit garbage. If you can, those apple cider vinegar and all that, इस सब से कुछ नहीं होता है. बॉडी सिर्फ एक चीज़ से बनती है, दैट इज़ मेहनत. अच्छा खाना खाओ, ईट इनफ प्रोटीन, स्लीप वेल, खुश रहो, पानी पियो, धूप खाओ, करते रहो, बॉडी बन जाएगा. बट पीपल जस्ट ओवर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. सब एडवाइस देने पे लगे हैं. तो आई वुड सजेस्ट एडवाइस उसी की लो who you think is better than you at whatever it is that they're giving you advice for. मेरी भी एडवाइस मत लो. If you think you have a better physique than me, then don't listen to my advice. Do what has been working out well for you.